Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, at least not like this. Y'all, I've told y'all I'm in the midst of transitioning back to natural hair, and I'm so glad my boos at HerGivenHair are here to help me along the journey as I regrow my hair from this pixie and go back to the natural. So incoming, HerGivenHair, we're getting ready to install an OG headband wig, but guess what? It's not OG. They flipped it and reversed it, which we will get into. So these are some of the things they have to offer on the website. They do have headbands available if you would like. They have instruction manuals on how to take care of the units. This is one of the headbands. I'm going to show you how to put it on. Just real out of order, y'all. It got real interesting with this one, but it's not their fault, it's mine. But anyway, they do have accessories available, things to style your wigs or whatever you need. And just, check out the site. So why did I get this thing on my face like this? Why do they send me complicated things knowing that I cannot do it? I'm a little different, okay? She's a little special, but I figured it out. And that's how you do this headband. So these are one of the combs that they have available if you need some extra. But this is the unit. So they flipped it and reversed it. This is version 3.0, making it very breathable in the back. So this is perfect for spring and summer, especially if you want to have that bouncy look without having your head suffocating. They do have combs attachments on the side and adjustable strap in the back. And then they also have the drawstring attachment available, so you can get this to really fit your head without worrying about blowing it off. So I wanted to show you what the curls really look like, but this is me showing it to you right out of the package, and then I'm gonna show you what it's capable of. This is the drawstring that I was telling you about that you kind of pull it tighter to make it fit. So let's get into the actual installation of these curls. Y'all, I'm so excited to be going back natural. It was fun with my pixie or whatever, but it's just something about me looking like me that it just feels good to my soul. So that was my hair. I guess it is my hair, but that was my hair right after I washed it. This is what it looks like as soon as it is washed. I am going to do a twist out. I wanted you to see what these curls were capable of. Yeah, it does come with a curl pattern, but you can do the same thing you would to your natural hair to this unit because it's human hair. So this is me applying just a styling cream, and I'm gonna do a twist out. I have not done this in so long. I had to figure out my finger placement, but it turned out so cute. So this is me actually zooming in because I was like, girl, these curls is juicy, and I didn't even do nothing. You understand? So yeah, that's me applying some cream, doing a twist all the way down, and then the OGs know when you get to the bottom of it, you twirl it around your finger. This was so easy to do. Same thing you would do for a twist out without, number one, worrying about manipulation on your natural hair, and number two, worrying about humidity and all the other things. This was really just nice for people that just want to break, or if you're like me, you're just in between a transition. As I'm growing out this relaxer, it's an afro in the back, and it's just not laying down. So wigs and braids and things are my friend, but my hair's not long enough for braids. So shout out to the headband wig. So I'm also going to show you, even though this is a headband wig, we're going to flip it and reverse it at the end, if you want to be a little sassy or whatever and not have that attached. So this is the unit, giving very much so buckwheat. Okay, but trust the process. This is the unit as I am going to let it dry. So this was the next day, and this is going to be me doing the installation. Y'all, it's so easy to do a headband wig, like even a child could do. Girl, don't these look like spider legs? Don't worry about that, okay? That was just my intrusive thought went in. So anyway, apply the wig, put the combs around the perimeter, and then of course tug the drawstring in the back so that you can get a really snug fit and make sure it's comfortable. And once you're done, tuck the string under. What I really loved about this was the quality of the hair. Number one, it did not stink because I can't stand that. Number two, it was soft to the touch. Number three, it responded very well to products. And number four, it was springy and bouncy, and it had a lot of shine without me doing the most. And you'll be able to see some of that as I am doing the twist out or taking it down. Now, as far as the textures and everything, you can look in the description box. This is a natural texture wig, natural color. And like I said, it's a headband wig, but you of course can do it kind of like that half wig with the leave out, which you will see me do towards the end. So right here, I'm just taking down my twists and really just enjoying the moment because it feels really good to be doing this. Even though this isn't hair that grew out of my scalp, it felt good to return back to a natural texture unit. So I think that's pretty much it. This is so easy. As you can see, it does have great definition. It does have shine and all those things. Like it's good hair. So after I take the twist out, I'm pretty much just gonna shape it, fluff it, make sure that it's in a shape that I like for my face, make sure that the curls are really popping, that I have it situated so it's not lopsided. And that's pretty much it, y'all. When I say this is so easy, I couldn't stretch this to be a long video if I wanted to. Literally wash the hair, put some twists in it and go, or you can just wash it and take it out the box and put it on your head. So that is what it looks like as a twist out. But like I told y'all, I wanted you to see this is very versatile. You can do a half up, half down. You can do the headband, or you can do what I'm about to show you, which is having some leave out and making it look really, really good. Because everybody don't like lace, okay? I understand. And then now that I'm in the gym heavily, girl, one time, this is so awful. My wig came off at the gym, but we'll talk about that in another video. So this is me showing you how I am going to do the half wig look. I'm going to take the headband and tuck it under. Did you see how I just tucked the fabric? Pretty much I'm going to tuck the fabric and then apply it around the perimeter with the comb, pull the string, and then I'm going to reassure that the headband is hidden. Just go around and tuck it. But yeah, I wore a lace wig to the gym, y'all, and I started doing some ab workouts. I had sweated more than what I realized, and that lace, the got to bleed glue, it did not glue, and the wig shifted. So, you know, headband wig for the wig, especially in the spring or summer, because my scalp is so sweaty. Okay, so anyway, back to the collaboration. That is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna go in, make sure all of that black is tucked, and then from there I'm going to take my twist out. Now keep in mind, this is on relaxed / transitioning hair, so it is very fine, and I'm growing out a pixie, so it is very short. If your hair is longer than mine or more dense than mine, your blend will be flawless. It will look like the natural hair because you have natural hair. I'm doing the best I can as I transition. So this is me. I use some of the mousse from the Do, did twist in the front, and then I'm gonna just go around and take the twist down. And then once the twists are down, just kind of shape it, flip it around, or do whatever just to make it all blend in. Overall, y'all, this was a great experience because like I said, me and the gym been going real hard, and me and Lace, we got to break up. And then with me growing out this pixie, transitioning back to natural, I have multiple textures. My hair right now, it's just a lot going on. So units like this are really, really going to help me. You can definitely check out this half wig. Or I should say headband wig. Use it as a half wig or wear it as a headband wig. It's so versatile. You can do whatever you want. Look in the description box. You will see all the information on this particular unit. Make sure you check out HerGivenHair. You can see what else they have to offer as well. This is a natural look, and I just can't wait until my natural hair really comes in so that this can just be everything. So again, shout out to HerGivenHair for partnering with this transitioning natural. This is what it looks like, and to the natural girls, it's gonna look even better. But if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada, I'm out this piece. Y'all pray that I don't lose no more wigs in public, especially in front of the men folks. Yeah. Shout out to HerGivenHair. I'll see y'all later. Bye.